Hello, P3 students. Welcome again to our English 3 class with Ms. Ida. We are now on Unit 7, Lesson 3, Prince Henry's Party. Let's get our learner's book and open it on pages 94 to 95 while watching this video. And don't forget, get your English notebook and your pen as we will be answering together the exercises or the activities as we go along. So are you ready? Let's get started. For our lesson objectives, we have the following. Listening. Listen to a story. Listen to instructions. Speaking. Speaks about food. Reading. Solve a puzzle with clues. Writing. Write instructions. Critical thinking. Solving a puzzle. For language focus, pronouns, revision, ordinal numbers, past simple, sequencing words. For our vocabulary, we only have one word, tableware. Take your time to check the meaning, children. For our warm-up activity, you will prepare a riddle and share it to the class. So tomorrow, we will be having riddle time. So be ready, children. For our first activity, let's do it. You are going to read a story puzzle. Read well the clues and work out the answers to the questions. There are 3 parts to the puzzle. So are you ready? Part 1. Prince Henry is having a lunch party. He has invited 5 guests. Jack and Zach, who are twins, Nora, their sister, Lady Emily, who is Prince Henry's cousin, Maya, who is Lady Emily's best friend. Where will they sit at the table? Read the clues to find out. Draw a plan of a table and 6 chairs and write the names on the chair. For part 2, Prince Henry has a servant, Mr. Robot. And fortunately, when Mr. Robot was laying the table, he forgot a few things. 1 plate, 1 cup, 1 napkin, 1 knife, 2 spoons. Each person is missing 1 thing. Who is missing what? Read the clues to find out. Write the answers in a chart on page 95. Hint: you need your table plan showing where the guests are sitting. So take your time, children, to answer part 1 and part 2. Here is the table for the part 2. What is each person missing? So you're going to write down for Prince Henry, what object, Nora, Jack, Zach, Lady Emily, until Maya. For activity 2, it's listening. You will listen to audio script track 48. Prince Henry is giving instructions to his robot, and you're going to complete the text with the missing words. We will do the listening activity, children, tomorrow during our Zoom meeting. And for the language tip, we will be learning pronouns. So here is an example. Please give it to him, her, them, me. So take your time to study pronouns, or I'm sure you already study pronouns. It's just this one is just a review, okay? So we will discuss more about language or the grammar during our private class. For the third activity, I'm sure everybody will be excited to do this one. What would you like to eat and drink at the lunch party? Act out a conversation. 1 person will play Mr. Robot. So I will give you time to prepare for your speaking activity. So Ms. Ida will be grouping you together during Zoom meeting in the breakout rooms. So that ends lesson 3, children. Be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. We will be discussing more and we'll be doing more activities for lesson 3. So thank you for watching, children.